All right. This week we are doing doubles with 10 frames, building on our work last week with 10 frames. At the very beginning, we're going to introduce students to the idea of doubles. So we'll say when we have the same number in the top row, and then you should be able to click, yep, and it comes up, and the same number in the bottom row, we call that a double. This doubles fact is 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2? So then the animation will appear and we'll say 2, and then we can count on. Count on with me. 3, 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Write it on your boards. So for Monday, it's basically just slowly going through what makes up a doubles fact for all the different doubles facts. It has you counting on from the top row to the bottom row, and then just having students write the sum only, no equation. On Tuesday, we start pretty easy because we're asking them to do a big skill. We say, "What is this doubles fact?" And we say, "Okay, there's one on the top, one on the bottom. What could it be? Can you write it?" Give kids a chance to write it. Um, Again, the leap to equations is big, so we just want to give, a couple seconds and let kids try. And then we'll show them 1 plus 1. What is that? That's equal to or the same as 2. And so for Tuesday, you're really just building through this with all the different equations and going really slowly and giving kids a chance to just see the patterns of how the equations work. So Tuesday and Wednesday have this slowly building the equations, but then they also have a part 2, which is the lightning round. You'll say, "I'll flash a card. Write how many dots you see." And then if you're ready for a challenge, you can try to write the doubles fact too. All right, eyes on the board. It's coming fast. How many did you see? Give students a chance to think. They'll write the number. If you see students are easily writing the number, say, "What about the doubles fact? How did you know so fast it was that? Can you try writing it?" Again, we don't want to push the equations right now. We're kind of just getting them used to it. So I'll show them. It's 4. And then what doubles fact helped us see it? Well, let's think about it. We have 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. 2 plus 2 equals 4. This is how you write it. Try writing it on your board, and you can give students a chance to try. It really depends on your class. Kindergartners by what week is this? Week 8. This is still pretty early, so the idea is just to get their brains used to connecting the equation with the dots. So it really depends on, is this causing your students too much stress? If it is, don't push it. If they seem ready for a challenge, or some of them do, by all means have them do it. So for Tuesday and Wednesday, you'll have sort of that building the equation and then the lightning round where they have a chance to try it. Thursday and Friday, we play a game called Choose Your Double. And this is a game where we flash a card and then we have students choose the double that the card shows and write it. Then write what it equals. So, this is a great scaffold for students, and it's the moment where you could have them write it because everything is spelled out for them on the board. So, the way this works is you'll show the card, you'll hide it, and then you'll say which one of those shows our double. Give students a chance to think about it, write it down on their boards, show it again, say 1 plus 1. What is that equal to? What's that the same as? That's 2. And so write that on your boards. So remember to use the language of equal to means the same as, so that students really internalize the meaning rather than thinking equals means the answer is, because equals means so much more than that. All right, so that's Thursday and Friday. Let me know if you have any questions.